2027 BMW Concept Neue Klasse is more than just a concept car. It is a statement of intent from BMW's legendary M division. Revealed at the prestigious 24 Hours of Le Mans, this futuristic performance sedan provides the clearest look yet at the next generation of BMW vehicles and signals the beginning of a new era of electric performance. For decades, BMW has been synonymous with precision engineering, thrilling driving dynamics, and high revving engines. As the automotive industry shifts toward electrification, enthusiasts have wondered whether BMW could preserve the spirit of M cars in an electric future. The 2027 BMW Concept Neue Klasse offers a convincing answer. Absolutely. A fresh yet familiar design. The first thing that grabs attention is the car's striking design. While the M Concept Neue Klasse embraces BMW's new design language, it remains unmistakably an M car. The front end features a modern interpretation of BMW's iconic kidney grille, integrated seamlessly into a sleek and aerodynamic fascia. Slim LED lighting elements create an aggressive appearance, while the low stance and wide body emphasize the vehicle's performance-focused character. Muscular wheel arches, sculpted side panels, and aerodynamic details give the sedan a commanding road presence. Unlike some electric vehicles that prioritize futuristic styling over emotional appeal, the Neue Klasse concept manages to look both modern and exciting. It feels like a natural evolution of classic BMW sports sedans, rather than a complete departure from tradition. The stunning Monza red metallic finish further enhances the concept's dramatic appearance. Large performance wheels and motorsport-inspired design details reinforce its high-performance credentials. A driver-centric interior. Inside, BMW has created a cabin that blends advanced technology with a pure driving focus. The interior adopts a minimalist philosophy, eliminating unnecessary clutter while placing essential information directly in the driver's line of sight. The racing-inspired bucket seats provide excellent support and feature premium materials that combine luxury with sportiness. Bold color contrasts and illuminated design elements create a futuristic atmosphere without feeling overly complicated. One of the highlights is BMW's next-generation digital interface. The dashboard presents information in a cleaner and more intuitive way than current systems, helping drivers stay focused on the road. The cabin demonstrates how BMW intends to merge digital innovation with the engaging driving experience that has always defined the M brand. Revolutionary electric performance. The biggest story behind the 2027 BMW Concept Neue Klasse is its groundbreaking electric powertrain. BMW has confirmed that the concept utilizes a sophisticated four-motor setup capable of independently controlling each wheel. This technology allows for incredibly precise power distribution, maximizing traction, stability, and cornering performance. Unlike traditional all-wheel drive systems, the four-motor architecture can instantly adjust torque delivery to each wheel, improving agility and responsiveness in every driving situation. Whether accelerating out of corners or navigating challenging road conditions, the system promises a level of control that few performance cars can match. BMW's engineers have focused heavily on maintaining the emotional connection between driver and machine. Rather than simply delivering massive power figures, the goal is to create an electric vehicle that feels alive and engaging behind the wheel. The heart of joy technology. At the center of the concept's performance capabilities is BMW's advanced control system known as the Heart of Joy. This powerful computing platform manages power delivery, braking, steering inputs, and energy recuperation in real time. By processing vast amounts of data almost instantly, the system helps create smoother responses and more precise handling. The technology represents a major step forward for electric performance vehicles. BMW claims it can deliver a more natural and predictable driving experience while enhancing overall vehicle dynamics. Built on the Neue Klasse platform, the concept rides on BMW's all-new Neue Klasse architecture, which has been developed specifically for the next generation of electric vehicles. An advanced 800-volt electrical system supports faster charging, improved efficiency, and greater performance potential. The battery pack is integrated into the vehicle's structure, increasing rigidity while helping optimize weight distribution. This platform will serve as the foundation for many future BMW models, making the M Concept Neue Klasse an important preview of what is to come. Final verdict. The 2027 BMW Concept Neue Klasse proves that electrification does not mean sacrificing performance, excitement, or driving pleasure. With its bold design, innovative technology, four-motor electric powertrain, and driver-focused philosophy, it successfully carries the BMW legacy into the future. If the production version remains faithful to this concept, BMW enthusiasts have every reason to be excited. The M Concept Neue Klasse is not just a glimpse of tomorrow, it may be the blueprint for the next great BMW car.